Hello and welcome to the channel. It's Christmas Eve 2024 and it looks like I've got some more stuff to unwrap. Look at this. I have no idea who this is from. No return address. Complete surprise. I think it's Locks. Let's see what's inside. By the way, how's everybody doing? I hope you're all warm and safe and having fun. I know I am. I feel pretty good today. Got some rest. Yeah, it feels good when you get rest and you wake up the next day feeling refreshed. Ah, it's such a good feeling. All right, let's see what's going on. Let's see what's inside package number 1. I wonder if this might be from somebody that did not want to be mentioned, but we'll find out. Like I said, I have no idea what's in here. Ooh, a master lock. Another master lock of a different type. Ooh. Nice. And another master lock. This one's a 5-pin. Okay, this one doesn't say. This one looks like a 4-pin. Well, doesn't say. Well, there's 3 more master locks. Anything else in there? Oh, wait, what's this? A gift for you. Send a thank you note. Okay, I will. I'll follow up with that later. Look at this is awesome. 3 master. Oh yeah. Let me show you. These I like because I can hold them in my hand, which is nice. It gives me something to work on. I have a lot of stuff that I have difficulty holding in my hand, but I do plan on getting a vise next month. I'm going to get a Bessie. Can't wait to get my hands on that thing. It's going to make picking a whole lot easier for me. But in the meantime, these will do. Whoever you are that sent me these, thank you very much, and Merry Christmas to you too. Wow, man, when it rains, it pours. Holy crap. Package number 2. And this being from Amazon, you know, I guess you have that right not to identify yourself. But it's not anthrax. It's not a bomb or anything that's going to go off in my face. So that's good. What have we here? An American lock. The locksmith lock since 1912. Steel balls lock. It's solid. Okay. Different languages. Ah, this is one of those 1100s I've been hearing so much about. All right, and it's green. Merry Christmas. Yeah, boy. Oh, that's a tough open. All right, got an 1100. Booyah. Whoever sent me this stuff, thank you very much. What else we got in here? And another 1100. Holy shit. And that's it for this package. I will follow up with the instructions on that later. Wouldn't that be cool if the color of this one was red, just for Christmas sake? And it is! Well, check that out. I got a green one and a kind of a red one. All right. Merry Christmas. Sweet. And finally, package number 3. What is in here? Good, I didn't cut anything important. An Abus 5-pin cylinder. Oh, I've been wanting to get my hands on one of these for a long time. I see these in a lot of videos. All right, I got an Abus. 3 master locks, 2 1100s, and an Abus. And something to look at later. Wow. I hope the camera gets all this. Whoever sent me this, I think I know who you are. Thank you very much. If you're the person that did not want me to mention my name, then I won't mention your name because actually I forgot. So your secret's safe with me. But this is wonderful, beautiful. I'm overwhelmed. And you know what else I got? My wonderful, wonderful, lovely lady neighbor got me a headlight. Yeah, now I can see what I'm doing because whenever I would lean forward, I would obscure the light with the shadow of my head. Now I can see what I'm doing. All right. Good fortune rain down upon me. When it rains, it pours. I feel the love and the warmth. I love you all. Thank you for tuning in. Have a wonderful holiday. And as I always say, stay safe and warm. And by all means, please have fun. Thank you very much. Good night.